Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to add audio to the slide presentation. So here's an example of what you can do. If you click on this and you hit the play button, you will hear a voice.
Cindy was incredibly meticulous and detailed when it came to her profession, which put safety first.
So there's an example of how you can add sound to a Google slide. To be organized, I'm going to go ahead and go to my desktop and I'm going to right click and choose New Folder, and I'll type in vocabulary since this deals with vocabulary. I'm now going to go ahead and go to my Google Drive and create a vocabulary folder. I want to stay organized, so I'll go to my Google Drive. I'm going to choose New Folder, and I'm going to type in vocabulary. Now keep in mind that this could be for any topic that you might be doing audio on a Google slide. I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to change the color. I like to change the color of my folders. I'm also going to right click and choose Share. I'll go to Advanced and I'm going to change it from private to public, so that anyone who has access to that can listen to it. So now anything that goes into that vocabulary folder is going to be viewable to anyone who has a link. I'm now going to an online voice recorder. It's onlinevoicerecorder.com. I found it by just looking for online voice recorders, and this is what I found, and I really like the site. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag it down so it's on its own window. I will make it significantly smaller. I'll bring it up and I'll drag this down so you can see the record button. I will go to the slide where I have the sentence. You might have a sentence somewhere else. In this case, I'm going to read this sentence here onto the recorder. When you're ready, go ahead and click on the record button and say your sentence. The children were finally able to see while walking home in the dark once the street lights were turned on, illuminating their path. So then I click the stop button. You can trim it back a little. You might want to play it. So when playing it, it's fine. You would click the save button. Once it's saved, you will go to your folder. Here at the bottom, I'm using a PC. You need to know how to navigate in order to get to that folder. So click on that folder, and I'm going to click Downloads, and I'm going to scroll down because I know that's where it is. It's called Record Online Voice. You can see it at the bottom. I will go ahead and I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose Cut. I'm going to go to that folder I created on the desktop, open it up, and right click and choose Paste. Now there's a lot quicker ways to do this, but I want you to understand this whole navigation. I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose Rename. I will title it Illuminate. I'm now going to go to my Google Drive, that folder I just created in my Google Drive. I will choose New, File Upload, go to that folder called Vocabulary on my desktop, select Illuminate, and it's now being uploaded to that folder. Once it's in your folder, go back to your Google slide. You would then choose Insert Audio, and there it is. It popped up in my drive. I will select it. I will choose Select, and now it's available for people that want to hear the recording. This concludes the session on how to add audio to your Google slide. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.